More regulatory headaches for Google after a judge yesterday ordered Alphabet's subsidiary to open up its Android app store as part of the Epic Games antitrust suit. And additional headwinds could be ahead today in the DOJ's search trial. Our Deirdre Bosa here with what we can expect for today's Tech Check. Hi, Deirdre.
And what it all means, a lot of this is just piling on. And Sarah, for years, just the threat of antitrust action, that's been lurking beneath the surface, but largely unaccounted for by investors. Now, however, we are starting to see real impact, starting with the judge's order yesterday in that Epic case. And then later today, we'll see remedies from the DOJ in the government's search monopoly case. So it is getting harder and harder for markets to remain complacent. Shares fell by more than 2% yesterday. And as we've been mentioning, Alphabet is the cheapest Magnificent Seven stock by forward PE multiple. So yes, cases, they can take years, even if we have a decision, because Google will appeal. But injunctions, as we now see, can take down walled gardens and, in the meantime, create openings for competitors, hit Google's bottom line. The judge in the Epic case ordered an injunction yesterday that breaks open Google's Android's App Store monopoly. Now, he ruled that for the next 3 years, Google must allow developers to bring their own app stores to the operating system. Now, the aim is to reduce fees for developers, which currently must fork over 15 to 30% of their user payments made within that Google ecosystem. But by allowing them to bypass the walled garden, Google's App Store transactions, they will take a hit. In 2019, the information estimates that it made up 20% of Alphabet's operating income. So that is a significant amount. Google says, for its own part, that the verdict missed the obvious, that Apple and Android, quote, clearly compete, and says it will appeal. But in the meantime, this injunction could do some damage. Now, the Epic case, that's resulting in an opening up. The potentially bigger threat is a breaking up, and that is in the cards for the DOJ case, which we are expecting remedies today. And it will likely include a list of options from forcing Google to give wider access to search data, to restrictions on exclusivity deals, to a breakup of its business units. That, of course, would be the most extreme option. Do check out our Tech Check Weekly on how Google, though, may be too big to split in practice, thanks to its sprawling and interconnected ecosystem. But even so, guys, there is the Microsoft precedent in the late 90s and early 2000s. The broader impact of all of these lawsuits that are piling up for Google, that could cost Alphabet valuable time and resources right as the generative AI race enters its most critical stages.
And that kind of ties in, Dee, with the piece we had yesterday, arguing that their dominance in search is kind of just eroding slowly because of Amazon and TikTok and other AI companies, almost like a boiling frog.
Yeah, and let's not forget the ad tech case, right, that's currently ongoing. So that's another lawsuit. And while Google has this huge ecosystem made up of search, of ads, of Android, of devices, of YouTube, of cloud computing, it can be vulnerable, right? All of it works best when it's together. And with so many lawsuits bearing down and potential penalties and injunctions and remedies, even if they're not the most extreme, it creates a further opening when, Carl, you said it, even a company like Amazon is making inroads into search ads.
Has it changed the fundamental case on the stock for Alphabet versus some of the other mega cap stocks?
I'm so glad you asked that. And I would point back to these forward price to earnings ratios, and it absolutely has changed the fundamental story because, you know, Google has actually been meeting this generative AI race face on. It's been more bold than ever, yet its multiple does not reflect that. The multiple really reflects a lot of this antitrust uncertainty. So I think that fundamental case is already taking a hit. And I will say that perhaps getting the DOJ remedies today could remove some of that uncertainty overhang. But what we've seen, even though the stock hasn't dropped that much, it hasn't kept up with the other Magnificent Seven, making it, you know, the cheapest among them right now.
Fascinating story. Definitely be a case study for business school students in 20 years. Dee, thank you. Deirdre Bosa watching Alphabet today and the lawyers.